name is Stephanie and I work with CMIT Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to create a spreadsheet in Microsoft Word. In order to create a spreadsheet in Word, simply open up Word, go to File, New Blank Document. You can create a spreadsheet in a couple of different ways. You can either go to Table, Insert Table, select the number of columns and then select the number of rows you wish. In this case, we're going to have 5 columns with 2 rows in our spreadsheet. Click OK, and it will automatically create a table or spreadsheet inside the Word document for you. The other way to create an Excel spreadsheet in a Word document is by opening up Excel, starting a new workbook, type in your data, you can select the cells of your spreadsheet, right-click, select Copy, open up Word, create a new blank document, and right-click and paste. And your spreadsheet will paste in your Word document. And it's as easy as that. In order to create a spreadsheet in Word, you can simply do an insert table and select the number of columns and rows that you'd wish, or you can create a spreadsheet in Excel and copy and paste.